Atef here from InfoSec for TC. Today I would like to go through our new cybersecurity project platform. This is a platform that we allocated to our members at InfoSec for TC, and the main purpose of this platform is to let you practice real projects and someone evaluate the work that you are doing. So if you go to our platform, our lms.infosec4tc.com, where we keep all our project platform and all our exam practice questions, and you click on it, you will find in the cybersecurity project around 7 projects and 35 different operational activity. And each one of those projects or tasks, you will have to read it well, and you will find all the resources associated with this project and all the templates that you need to use, and you will be guided on how to do it. And then once you complete your task and you upload your assignment, someone will evaluate it and it will let you know if you did it the right way or not. This is how you can gain some hands-on, because when you do a real project or a real operational activity, you can write it in your CV that I know how to implement ISO 27001, or I know how to conduct a real vulnerability assessment, or I know how to conduct a risk assessment. So you cannot write it in your CV because you watch a video explaining the process or you understand how it's done. Unless you did it yourself, you cannot write it in your CV or LinkedIn profile. So let me show you some of the assignments or some of the projects that you will practice on InfoSec for TC platform. So as you can see, the first topic here, those actually are videos. I mean, we have two different kind of icons. The blue one is the video explaining how to use the project platform, how to upload your assignment, how to follow up with your score. And then scrolling down, the pink one includes the assignment itself. So for example, here we have a project related to ISO implementation in a healthcare entity. And here, this is the objective behind this project. What exactly you will learn once you take the project. Of course, each task will not include the full project. This will be a part of the project. So for example, this one is on how to conduct a gap assessment in an organization who want to implement ISO 27001. So here, this is your task. We give you all the information related to entity. We give you the gap assessment template, and we explain what needs to be done. And here we explain what should be the deliverable, and you will find all the templates that we explain in this project. By the way, each one of the tasks will have a video explaining what should you do, and the details will be in the task itself. And once you do that, you upload it and someone will evaluate it and reply back to you if it was done the right way or you need to change it. So someone is evaluating what you are doing. We kept a lot of resources here in a way that you will be able to find everything that you need to work realistically, because when you work in a company as a cybersecurity specialist, you will have to use resources. You need to know how to write or how to do a risk assessment and what is the template that we are using for that. How to do a vulnerability assessment report and send it to the concerned team for patching or for fixing the vulnerability. How to conduct a gap analysis in an organization. Where can you find those templates? Those are all found here. So you will find template for a policy, a template for an asset register, a template for risk, vulnerability management. Technical and non-technical assignment will be found here. I also kept in the project platform a few incidents, so you will practice how should I deal with incident, how to write an incident report, how to have an incident register. So everything will be found here. And we kept a lot of incident to be able to practice the incident management, which is part of your responsibility, not the incident handling, because incident handling, it's a different team responsibility. I'm talking about incident management. I also kept some of the mock interview. So while you are conducting assignment like risk, incident register, vulnerability assessment, DLP implementation, I kept a lot of realistic task and a lot of realistic activity and project. I also kept some mock interviews. So from time to time in the project platform, you will find a mock interview. Mock interview will test your skills about what did you learn so far. And I kept around 6 of them. So once you finish milestones practicing real project, and you need to see how that can be raised as question inside an interview, you should find that inside the mock interview. This is one of the project platform specialized for cybersecurity specialists, or people who are planning to apply for cybersecurity or information security specialist position.